Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Manish Mittal. Dear students, today I will discuss with you topic issue of debenture as collateral security. In my previous video, I discussed with you topic debenture issued as consideration other than cash. Today I will discuss with you topic issue of debenture as collateral security. What do you mean by the issue of debenture as collateral security? Dear students, when company takes a loan from bank or other party, when company takes a loan from the bank or other party, the company may have issue debentures as the subsidiary or secondary security in addition to the principal security. Along with principal security, debentures are kept as the subsidiary or secondary securities. These debentures are known as debenture issued as collateral security. Means when company takes loan, some assets are kept as the principal security, and along with these assets, some debentures are kept as the subsidiary or secondary security. These debentures are known as debenture issued as collateral security. If company are not able to repay their debt or interest, it means company became defaulter, then debenture holder has rights, lender has rights to receive their money first from their principal security, and if their money are complete not realized, then they have all the rights of the debenture holder. स्टूडेंट्स यदि कंपनी डिफॉल्टर हो जाती है, अपने डेब्ट का और लोन का पेमेंट करने में एबल नहीं है, देन डिबेंचर होल्डर कैन रिसीव देयर मनी बाय रियलाइज द प्रिंसिपल सिक्योरिटी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे सोल्ड द प्रिंसिपल सिक्योरिटी एंड रिसीव देयर मनी. इफ देयर मनी डज नॉट फुलफिल, यानी उनका पैसा पूरा प्राप्त नहीं हो रहा है, तो स्टूडेंट्स वो क्या बन जाते हैं, डिबेंचर होल्डर बन जाते हैं और उनको डिबेंचर होल्डर की तरह से सारी राइट्स मिल जाती हैं. अब जब कंपनी डिबेंचर इशू कर रही है एज ए कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटी, तो इसको दो तरीके से, देयर आर टू मेथड फॉर ट्रीटिंग डिबेंचर इशूड एज कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटी. थ्रू फर्स्ट मेथड, इन फर्स्ट मेथड डिबेंचर आर not issued, then we will not show the entry of issue of debenture. Only entry pass for the loan. Your entry will pass bank account debit to bank loan account. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक लोन अकाउंट. पहले मेथड के अंदर कंपनी डिबेंचर इशू करने की कोई एंट्री नहीं कर रही है, तो डिबेंचर वास्तव इशू हुए ही नहीं है, केवल लोन के लिए एंट्री कर रही है. फॉर टेकिंग लोन फ्रॉम बैंक, फॉर टेकिंग लोन फ्रॉम बैंक. In this case, how will you show the debenture in the balance sheet? How will you show the debenture in the balance sheet? There are methods of shown in the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on, जो भी डेट है, particular note number, current year, previous year. In this case, company only shown debenture. Debenture will be shown in the no equity and liability side, and liabilities. Heads non-current liabilities, subhead long term borrowing. Long term borrowing. Subhead long term borrowing in bracket bank loan. The amount as per the given. In first method, only shown the bank loan, not other things are shown in the balance sheet. Bank loan shown in the equity and liability side, head non-current liability, subhead long term borrowing. In second case, dear student, second method, your entry will be passed. In second method, two entry will be passed. In this case, debenture are shown. Then your entry will be passed. Bank account debit to bank loan account. For taking loan from bank. And secondary. Second entry for debenture issued. No cash will receive, no assets issued. Debenture suspense account will be opened. Debenture suspense account debit to debenture account. In second method, dear students, your entry will pass bank account debit to bank loan, debenture suspense account debit to debenture account. In this case, debenture also shown in the long term secured borrowing. In long term borrowing, you will shown. How will you shown? For this, we prepare note to account for the long term borrowing. Long term borrowing का note to account prepare करेंगे बेटे. Note to account particular current year previous year. How will you create long term borrowing? Debenture in the beginning of year. डिबेंचर जो साल के शुरुआत में एड issued during the year, less debenture suspense account, that will the debenture, add bank loan, long term borrowing का नोट टोकन बनाएंगे बेटा. डिबेंचर इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईयर, एड इशू ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, लेस डिबेंचर सस्पेंस अकाउंट, दैट विल द डिबेंचर बैलेंस. इन डिबेंचर बैलेंस you will add bank loan and these amount will be shown in the note balance sheet, note number 1. The amount is shown in the long term borrowing note to account, that amount will be shown in the balance sheet. Dear students, in second method, first your entry bank account debit to bank loan, second debenture suspense account debit to debenture. अगर क्वेश्चन में बैलेंस शीट में दिखाने के लिए बोला है, देन यू विल क्रिएट नोट टू अकाउंट लॉन्ग टर्म बोरिंग डिबेंचर इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ ईयर, एड इशू ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, लेस डिबेंचर सस्पेंस अकाउंट, दैट इज द बैलेंस फॉर डिबेंचर, एड बैंक लोन, दैट अमाउंट विल बी शोन इन द लॉन्ग टर्म बोरिंग. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.